So not to hype you up, but we are at this point only a few weeks away from seeing if something spectacular actually happens within the cryptocurrency space. The news has been filled to the brim with information and updates as to where Bitcoin and the wider cryptocurrency space are going to go. We have thus far not had any negative news surrounding the cryptocurrency market. Even with current world events going on, we have only been hearing wonderful things as basically what's to come. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about stuff. For those of you looking to get into real estate, I created a book and there's a link to it in the description below. That's what I wanted to say. I couldn't formulate the words in my head. So if you've been here, if you've not been here, the last few weeks have been tumultuously interesting as the news never seemingly stops as to where the cryptocurrency market is going to go. When I said a few weeks, I meant it simply because over the course of May, like the month of May, we are supposed to hear a huge amount of news regarding the Clarity Act and the brand new head of the Federal Reserve. We're expecting the new head of the Fed to lower interest rates continuously until we get to a 1% interest rate in the United States, and also for the Clarity Act to pass and for Ethereum to skyrocket into the sky because stablecoin tokenization, legality, all that kinds of stuff. The last few weeks, we have heard nothing but price go up, prices look amazing, cryptocurrency market has bottomed, Bitcoin's heading to 100,000, 125,000 is coming right after, $200,000 Bitcoin, $280,000 Bitcoin by the time we get to the end of 2016. The weird part of all of this intertwined is that all the analysts are coming to the exact same conclusion. The other weird part is that all the analysts are coming to the exact same conclusion. This doesn't happen. It's not a thing. No matter which market that you're in, even if you're into stocks, there's always some kind of a disagreement going on. And along the lines of all of these things, we have had a steady stream of Bitcoin go higher news. The director of global macro for Fidelity, his name is Jurrien Timmer, Jurrien. So it's like Julian, but not, and then with two R's, has shared an optimistic outlook for Bitcoin. I can't have imagined how that would have happened because everyone keeps saying the same thing. The prominent analyst believes the flagship cryptocurrency is currently laying the groundwork for a massive upward trajectory. In a recent post on the Twits, Jurrien Timmer acknowledged the movement of Bitcoin from 60,000, is actually more exact. He said $60,033. Wonderful. $60,000, and how this pattern offers a further upside. He said that this is leading towards a bullish scenario and that Bitcoin continues to build a large base here. We are now setting up in preparation for the next major up wave. Not wave up, he literally said up wave. I can't wait for Bitcoin to do a 4x in price. This has been one of the weirdest experiences of my entire life, having these people every 24 hours release news that mega ultra cool Power Rangers things are about to happen. I assumption a lot of this is based around the Clarity Act and the not inflation rate, the blah 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 blah, the interest rate going down. There was someone from crypto also said something recently. They were on one of like the major news networks, and they were like, yeah, so we're anticipating lower interest rates. And it's going to be absolutely terrible for inflation, but asset prices are expected to spike a lot higher. So, I mean, it does kind of work hand in hand, because normally if the idea is that when the US dollar is inflating, that Bitcoin also goes up as well. This is another thing where I keep saying that people need to have as many assets as possible because things are about to get rough. Also in the news, he used to be more prominent a while ago. His name is Anthony Scaramucci. Scaramucci is in the news, and I'm 8 bajillion% certain you can't imagine what this man has had to say about crypto. None of you are going to guess it. Anthony Scaramucci was recently in the news discussing Bitcoin going to $1 million per coin. So weird, right? His idea is based on the idea of Bitcoin being increasingly seen as a credible store of value. You cannot have Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, Fidelity, and BlackRock all actively into Bitcoin and then not have this discussion. These people aren't into Bitcoin because it sounds like a cool new thing on the block. They're expecting to make gains with Bitcoin, dare I say the word, forever. The growing interest of Wall Street and major institutions is fueling this rise in power within the markets. At that price level, the total market cap of Bitcoin would be around 21 trillion US dollars because of its total supply, what have you, so on and so forth. I don't have to read the rest of it to you, but he basically talks about de-dollarization. It looks like the old system is beginning to collapse. Bitcoin is building its own trust system. It is a decentralized network. It does not have a central authority or a single point of failure. And Wall Street seemingly loves every single portion of Bitcoin, and they only want more. So this is not our first $1 million Bitcoin prediction by any means. We've had a couple of those, and they tend to sprinkle around the year 2029, 2030. The idea being, once again, that within weeks, the final brick foundation will be laid, put on the ground, and we will basically see everyone legally, companies, corporations, be able to get into crypto, stable coins, tokenization, buying Bitcoin, doing all these other kinds of things. So I am very excited for what the future holds for the cryptocurrency market. This would normally be a very negative price go down kind of year, just because of the normal cycles. It is interesting to see that no matter what's happening in the news, the good cryptocurrency vibes continue. And by the time we get to the month of June, we should have some kind of answers, realistically. Everyone thinks that around $50,000 to $60,000 Bitcoin's price bottom came in. Everyone thinks trajectory is going to go higher. The predictions of $1 million Bitcoin. If you didn't see that one, this was half a year ago. There was some analyst. He was talking about the idea of $1 million Bitcoin. And he was like, I think it's going to happen. But understand that if we have a Bitcoin that's at $1 million per coin, it means that the US dollar has collapsed. Not like it's not doing well. He said it means the end of fiat currencies, and this would cause a mad dash of the masses into crypto as quickly as they possibly can. $100,000 Bitcoin signifies a gigantic lack of trust in the old system. All these corporations are pushing billions of dollars, not into US treasuries, they're pushing it into Bitcoin. If we get to $1 million Bitcoin, it means that the old system has collapsed and Bitcoin / crypto is the new financial system. So buckle up, everyone, because this is what all these people are predicting is going to happen in the very near future. I hope you've all been having conversations with your portfolios to see if crypto is right for you. I do hope you all are having a great day, a great morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, wherever you might be. I do hope that it is absolutely fantastic. Thank you all once again for watching, listening, liking, commenting, and supporting. I know the news is weird. Believe me, I know. I'm looking at it every single day. I know it's very intense as well to keep hearing essentially the exact same thing from tons of different people every 24 hours as to what's happening and what will happen to the cryptocurrency market. It's also very intense for me as well, I promise you. Some days I sit here and I'm like, what the fudge is going on? Thank you all once again. And I most certainly will be talking to you all soon. See you.